Hello children, welcome to my channel Study Time and I am Gurmeet Kaur. We are going to discuss long answer type questions and HOTS questions from GOYAL Brothers chapter 14 Chemical Effects of Electric Current class 8. So question number 1, what is electroplating and how can you carry out electroplating of copper in the laboratory? So first of all, we are going to discuss what is electroplating. Electroplating is one of the chemical effects of electric current. It is the process of depositing a layer of the desired metal on another material by electricity, and it is done to make metals shiny. Part of the question is electroplating of copper in the laboratory. हम कैसे electroplating करेंगे copper की? To do electroplating of copper, prepare a solution of copper sulfate. Yes, हमें copper sulfate का solution prepare करना है. Add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid to the solution. Okay, to make it more conducting, clean copper plate चाहिए and spoon with sandpaper को आप copper plate को और spoon को sandpaper से clean करेंगे. Now connect copper strip to positive terminals anode. Positive terminal को हम anode कहते हैं of the battery and the spoon to the negative terminal जिसे कि cathode कहा जाता है of a battery with connecting wires. तो आपने जो है कॉपर स्ट्रिप को एनोड से कनेक्ट करना है और स्पून को कैथोड से कनेक्ट करना है. डिप देम इन द कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन. सो व्हेन करंट इज पास थ्रू इट द कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन इट डिकम्पोजेस टू फॉर्म कॉपर आयंस एंड सल्फर आयंस. सो कॉपर आयंस जो होंगे दे विल मूव टूवर्ड्स द कैथोड. कैथोड यानी कि नेगेटिव टर्मिनल पे मूव करेंगे एंड गेट रिड्यूस टू कॉपर मेटल and get deposited on the object which is the object here the object is spoon. तो spoon के ऊपर copper की layer चढ़ जाएगी in this way. तो इस तरह से एनोड पे क्या केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रहा है देखिए. इम्प्योर कॉपर है यहाँ पर which goes into the solution and it get transferred to cathode. कैथोड के साथ हमने क्या अपना स्पून कनेक्ट किया है, that is the नेगेटिव टर्मिनल. नाउ कैथोड पे क्या हो रहा है, कैथोड पे क्या हो रहा है, फ्रॉम द सोल्यूशन द कॉपर इज कमिंग और ये फ्रॉम कैथोड है एंड इट गेट डिपॉजिटेड ऑन द स्पून. तो स्पून के ऊपर यहाँ पर कॉपर प्लेटिंग हो जाएगी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, डज प्योर वाटर कंडक्ट्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? इफ नॉट, what can we do to make it conducting? Explain. So pure water or distilled water does not conduct electricity because it doesn't contain salt in it. उसमें कोई salt available नहीं है. To make it conducting we add a pinch of common salt. Since salt solution are good conductors of electricity. जो भी salts हैं they are all good conductors of electricity. So उसमें हम common salt की pinch add करेंगे to make it conducting. Question number 3. How can you electroplate an iron spoon with copper? Explain with the help of circuit diagram. The diagram is here. हमने पहले भी देखा कि question number 1 में the answer is going to be the same. तो इस तरह से आप कॉपर प्लेट को पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल यानी कि एनोड से कनेक्ट करेंगे, स्पून को आप नेगेटिव टर्मिनल यानी कि कैथोड से कनेक्ट करेंगे और ये कॉपर जो सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन है इसमें इसको छोड़ देंगे. तो इस तरह से द आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी सेम एज आंसर नंबर 1 which is already been given. Now we will discuss HOTS questions. Let's see. Question number 1, we should not use water to extinguish fires caused due to electrical short circuits. Why? Putting out a fire caused by an electrical short circuits by pouring water on it can be dangerous as water conducts electricity and people who come in contact with the water can get electric shocks or can be electrocuted. Number 2, some liquids can conduct electricity and some cannot. Why? Some liquids can conduct electricity because they break into ions and those liquids which don't break into ions don't conduct electricity. इसका example है sodium chloride, that is NaCl, breaks into sodium ion and chloride ions. So it conducts electricity. But glucose doesn't break into ions, so it doesn't conduct electricity. Question number 3. It is even more dangerous to touch an electric appliance with wet hands than with dry hands. Why? It is dangerous to touch an electric appliance with wet hands because water is a good conductor of electricity. And if we touch an electric appliance with wet hands, we may get an electric shock. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it is helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.